Hello everyone and welcome back to Think Big Digital, where we bring you professional tips, tools and techniques to enhance your digital productivity and security. In today's video, we're going to learn how to design book covers in Canva, and without any overdue, let's dive right into the video. At first, we're going to open the Canva official website and we're going to select the Create a Design option. From here, we're going to search a book cover designs, and here you can see that there are thousands of templates right in front of you available for designing your desired book cover design. So we are going to select a random one. So suppose we want to change the image right here, so we're gonna move to the uploads option, upload our desired file, and now what we're going to do is drag this right here, and now I want to change the texts here, so I'm gonna change and edit it. So this is how you edit and design your own book cover in Canva. If you want to add anything else, you can just move on to the elements section and add whatever sort of stickers or graphics you need to design your book cover however you want. So this is it for today, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, please take a moment to like this video, and if you have any queries, drop a comment down below and we will get back to you to associate you with our best efforts. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video.